Giveaways and lucky draws are good tools to get subscribers on social media. But how to confirm if a participant has seen the video? In Aliveforms, you can create a form asking the user to enter a secret key shown in your video at a random place. Then you can attach this form to a lucky draw and select a winner from submission having the correct key entered. For this demo, we are going to have a PUBG Mobile popularity giveaway demo form. Create a form to collect ID, username and secret key. After creating the form, click on Dashboard and click Lucky Draws. Select the form from Form drop-down. Next select the screen which collects the secret key. Next select the screen which collects user ID. It will be shown when the winner is selected. Next, either you can enter your own secret key or click on button to generate the key. For demo, we submit form multiple times. After submissions, when you want to select the winner, click on Open Lucky Draw button to select the winner.